Yebo, mntomnyama, lalela kahle, isikhathi sakho sesifikile. Kudala ulindile, kudala uthandazile, izinyembezi ziwile, kodwa uyekaka. Bathi awusoze waphumelela, bathi iphupho lakho likhulu kakhulu, kodwa ngaphakathi uyazi khona umlilo ongathini. Phakamisa ikhanda lakho, ungabe usabheka phansi lokho obukhulekela sekumi phambi kwakho. Isikhathi sakho mntomnyama, phakama ukhanye, leli thuba lakho, ungabe usaba. Isikhathi sakho mntomnyama, ushukubeke, amathuba kuvulekele, hamba uyowathatha. Woza, woza, kuyakhanya manje, woza, woza. Isikhathi sakho,
ungaziboni ngamehlo omhlaba, bona ngamehlo kaNkulunkulu. Igama lakho selibaliwe phakathi kwezibusiso, umzabalazo wakho awulona, ize ubuhlungu bakho buzakwakha. Izandla zakho zizophakamisa umndeni wakho phezulu.
awuyena iphutha, awuyena umthwalo, isipho esizovela ngesikhathi esifanele. Isikhathi sakho mntomnyama, phakama ukhanye, leli thuba lakho, ungabe usaba. Isikhathi sakho mntomnyama, pusha uqhubeke, amathuba kuvuleke, hamba uyowathatha. Mntomnyama, isikhathi sakho mntomnyama, phakama ukhanye, leli thuba lakho, ungabe usaba. Isikhathi sakho mntomnyama, pusha uqhubeke, amathuba kuvuleke, hamba uyowathatha. Woza, woza, kuyakhanya manje. Woza, woza, isikhathi sakho mntomnyama. Woza, woza, kuyakhanya manje. Woza, woza, isikhathi sakho. Mntomnyama, oh. Listen, Mntomnyama, this your season. Everything you went through had a reason. From the struggle to the pain and tears, God was building you all these years. No more fear, no more doubt. This the time you step out. Dream big, stand tall. You were born to conquer it all. Skin so rich, mind so bright. Walk in purpose, walk in light. They try to block, but you broke through. Now the world about to notice you. It's your time, it's your time. Take position, step into your full vision. Uma bezama ukukwelisa, khumbula ukuthi uyigugu. Uma bezama ukudiliza, khumbula ukuthi ukwine. Yakhana empilweni yakho, yashintsha indaba yakho. Namuhla uqala kabusha, isikhathi sakho sesifikile. Isikhathi sakho mntomnyama.